Are you tired of juggling multiple project management tools, only to find yourself lost in a sea of scattered tasks and deadlines? In 2026, the search for the perfect project management system is over, thanks to Notion, the all-in-one workspace that's revolutionizing the way we work. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through setting up Notion for project management, explain why it works, and provide you with a step-by-step plan to get started today. Notion is more than just a note-taking app. It's a customizable platform that allows you to create custom databases, pages, and templates to suit your specific needs. With its intuitive interface and seamless collaboration features, Notion has become the go-to tool for project managers, knowledge workers, and students alike. To get started, you'll need to create a Notion account and sign up for a free plan, which includes unlimited blocks, pages, and collaboration. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean and minimalistic interface that's designed to help you